How does body language affect your content creation? You'll be surprised if you know. Look at these two videos.
You currently saving for your first home but have no idea where to start or how much money you actually need? Well, if that is the case, this video is for you. I will be discussing your minimum required down payment.
Small businesses. Do you want a $150,000 car? Did you know that you can apply for one without any financials? If you have 2 years of GST and registered ABN.
Which video catches your attention? Probably the first one, right? But why this video captures your attention? There are two reasons. Firstly, body language, and the second is camera movement. According to Speaker Agency, this article mentioned non-verbal body language can convey strong messages and help the audience have trust in the speaker. It can make them feel at ease and understand what you are trying to say, rather than feel confused or offended. So try to use body language in your content creation. And the second video doesn't have any camera movement. Nowadays, people's attention span are very low, so it's difficult to retain an audience without any camera movement. The best example here is Mr. Beast. He changes his camera angle in every 2 to 3 seconds and you can see his views. I'm not telling you to edit like Mr. Beast, but consider using zoom in and zoom out effect in the right way. These factors are sufficient to breathe new life into your video. If you find this video valuable, then share it with your friends.